Think your home is already smart and sorted? Think again! In today's video, we're diving into 30 secret Amazon home gadgets you're probably missing out on, but absolutely need. From clever space savers to time-saving tools, these hidden gems are total game changers for everyday living. Most people have no idea these even exist, but once you see them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Make sure to stick around till the end because the last few are next-level genius and super underrated. And yes, all product links are waiting for you below. Number 1. Travel Foldable Steamer. Let's kick things off with the Travel Foldable Steamer. A total game changer for road trippers, business travelers, or anyone who wants wrinkle-free clothes on the go. Its compact, foldable design means it takes up barely any space in your glove box or suitcase, and it heats up quickly for fast, efficient steaming wherever you are. Perfect for keeping your outfit crisp before a meeting, refreshing clothes mid-trip, or even sanitizing fabric surfaces in your car. It's especially handy if you're hopping between hotels or heading to events straight from your vehicle. Definitely a smart add-on for any car owner who likes to stay sharp. You'll find it linked in the description. Number 2. Neck Fan with Nightlight. Here's one for hot climates or stuffy summer drives. The Neck Fan with built-in nightlight. Designed to sit comfortably around your neck, this gadget provides a quiet, hands-free breeze while keeping you cool behind the wheel or during roadside breaks. The integrated soft glow nightlight is great for low-light environments. Whether you're reading a map in the car or organizing gear in the back seat, ideal for rideshare drivers, long-distance commuters, or anyone parked at a campground or rest stop overnight. This one's all about comfort on the move. Number 3. DIY Foot Peel Exfoliator. Not your typical car gadget, but hear me out. The DIY Foot Peel Exfoliator is surprisingly perfect for road warriors who want a little self-care between stops. Slip it on during long drives, and by the time your trip ends, your feet are refreshed and baby smooth. Great for solo travelers, RVers, or car campers who want to make downtime more productive. Just relax, let the formula do the work, and peel days later. A quirky but smart travel companion, especially if you're headed to warmer weather and flip-flop territory. You'll find it linked below. Number 4. Automatic Soap Dispenser. Clean hands on the road? Yes, please. This automatic soap dispenser is motion-activated and compact, perfect for keeping in your trunk or RV kitchenette. Just wave your hand, and it dispenses the perfect amount. No contact needed. Ideal for families, pet parents, or anyone who snacks or camps on the go. Whether you're tailgating, picnicking, or just cleaning up after a fuel stop, this gadget adds hygiene and convenience without the mess. An affordable upgrade for any mobile setup. Number 5. Compact Jewelry Steamer. If you wear rings, watches, or earrings regularly, this compact jewelry steamer is a clever little addition to your travel gear. It deep cleans accessories using pressurized steam, restoring shine without chemicals or scrubbing. Great for road tripping couples, business travelers, or anyone heading to a wedding or special event. You can clean your jewelry at a rest stop or hotel without wasting time. Sleek, simple, and easy to pack. This one's a hidden gem. Number 6. Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. Even though it's meant for kitchens, the Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner actually works great in RVs or camper vans. Just fill it with vinegar and water, microwave it, and it steams away grime. No elbow grease required. A fun, effective gadget for campers, full-time van lifers, or anyone with a microwave in their vehicle. Plus, the hilarious design adds a bit of personality to your travel kitchen. Definitely a smart and budget-friendly cleaner you'll want on the road. Number 7. Imarku Chef Knife. Every mobile kitchen needs a solid chef knife, and the Imarku delivers. It's sharp, well-balanced, and versatile enough to slice through fruits, veggies, meats, you name it. The ergonomic handle makes it safe and easy to use, even in compact spaces. Whether you're prepping meals at a campsite, tailgating before a game, or cooking in your RV, this knife handles it all. It's a professional-grade tool that brings serious kitchen functionality to the road. A great value for everyday use. Number 8. Nachosaurus Snack and Dip Tray. For the fun-loving traveler, the Nachosaurus tray is a hilarious and surprisingly practical way to serve snacks on the go. It holds your chips in the dinosaur's back and dip in the tail. Great for kids or just keeping the vibe fun. Perfect for road trips, car picnics, or movie nights in your van or RV. It's durable, easy to clean, and guaranteed to spark a smile. A quirky gift or a conversation starter that makes snacking more enjoyable wherever you go. Number 9. Durmmur Hat Holder Storage Organizer. If you're always tossing hats around the back seat, This hat holder organizer keeps things neat and protected. It attaches to the car's ceiling or seat back and holds multiple hats securely in place. No more crushed brims or missing lids. Great for fashion-conscious drivers, truckers, or road-tripping photographers. Whether it's a cap, fedora, or wide-brim sun hat, your collection stays organized and travel-ready. Smart storage that just makes sense, isn't that? Number 10. Novelty. Floating wine glass, wind down after a long drive. This floating wine glass is perfect for lakeside camping or hanging out at the beach. It stays upright on water, grass, or sand, so your drink doesn't spill, no matter where you set up. Ideal for couples, van lifers, or glamping fans who like to toast the sunset. It's fun, functional, and makes any outdoor setting feel a bit more luxe. A playful addition to your travel drinkware, definitely worth checking out. Number 11. LED toilet paper holder. This might sound odd for a car, but the LED toilet paper holder is a surprisingly clever upgrade for RVs and camper vans. It combines soft LED lighting with a sleek, space-saving design, so you're not fumbling in the dark when nature calls. Perfect for late-night roadside stops or camping in low-light areas. It adds convenience, safety, and a bit of tech flair to your mobile bathroom setup. A small upgrade that makes a surprisingly big difference. Number 12. Adjustable fridge shelf divider. Here's one for RVers and van lifers with compact fridges. An adjustable fridge shelf divider helps keep items neatly separated even when you're driving over bumps. No more crushed fruit or spilled containers. It's great for organizing drinks, snacks, or meal prep containers. You can instantly double your usable space while avoiding clutter. A must-have if you value order and easy access while living the road life. Number 13. Automatic pan lid. Holder cooking in tight spaces? The automatic pan lid holder is a smart tool for any RV or camper kitchen. It holds your lid upright while you stir, flip, or season. No more water puddles or juggling lids with one hand. It's ideal for compact cooking areas where every inch counts. Great for weekend campers, RV chefs, or van cooks who love home-style meals on the go. Clean, practical, and totally hands-free. You'll wonder how you lived without it. Number 14. Magnetic curtain tiebacks. If you've got blackout curtains or privacy shades in your vehicle, magnetic curtain tiebacks are a sleek, no-install way to keep things tidy. Just wrap and click. No drilling or hooks needed. They're great for RVs, vans, or SUVs used for camping. You can easily pull curtains aside during the day and keep them locked in place at night. A smart, damage-free solution that adds style and function. Number 15. Wall-mounted grocery bag dispenser. A wall-mounted grocery bag dispenser in your vehicle? Yes, especially for RVs or car campers who reuse plastic bags for trash, storage, or cleaning. This gadget mounts to the inside of a cabinet or closet and dispenses bags one at a time. Perfect for organized travelers, pet owners, or families on the go. No more digging through a tangled mess of plastic. Just pull and use. It keeps things neat, compact, and always within reach. Number 16. Motion sensor underbed light. In a camper van or RV, underbed storage can get dark and tricky. That's where a motion sensor underbed light comes in. It automatically lights up when you open the compartment, then shuts off when you're done. It's perfect for nighttime gear grabs, sneaky snack runs, or organizing bins during a road trip. No switches, no fumbling, just smart lighting where and when you need it. Number 17. Adjustable drawer peg system. This one's for mobile drawers. The adjustable peg system lets you customize the inside of a drawer to fit your exact gear layout. Think kitchen tools, electronics, or bathroom items that usually slide around while driving. Ideal for van lifers, RV chefs, or anyone who wants neat, rattle-free drawers on the move. The pegs are movable and removable, so you can easily reconfigure them as your needs change. A clean, clever way to keep things stable and tidy. It's number 18. Portable mini sewing machine. The portable mini sewing machine is surprisingly useful for road trippers, festival goers, or van lifers who want to fix clothes, curtains, or gear on the fly. It's compact, battery-operated, and beginner-friendly. Use it to patch up ripped bags, hem pants, or make quick fabric repairs without heading to a tailor or buying replacements. Great for anyone living part-time or full-time on the road. A handy little tool with big impact. Number 19. Electric jar opener. If you've ever struggled with opening jars while camping or cooking in the car, the electric jar opener is a true lifesaver. Just place it on the lid, press the button, and it does the twisting for you. Perfect for seniors, those with hand pain, or anyone who's tired of jar opening struggles. It's compact enough for travel and powerful enough to handle tough lids. A practical helper that takes the stress out of road meal. Number 20, mini portable washing machine. And here's a real MVP for campers and RV dwellers, the mini portable washing machine. It fits in tight spaces and lets you wash small loads without relying on laundromats. Just fill it up, plug it in, and wash. Great for underwear, t-shirts, baby clothes, or quick rinses between stops. It saves time, water, and hassle, especially for extended trips or off-grid adventures. Definitely a smart add-on for any car owner who's all about convenience on the go. Number 21. Door Gap Soundproofing Strip. A simple yet super effective upgrade. The Door Gap Soundproofing Strip helps block out road noise and keeps your car cabin quieter. It seals small gaps around car doors, which also improves insulation and even keeps dust out. Perfect for commuters, parents with sleeping kids, or anyone who wants a smoother, more peaceful drive. Installation is quick. Just peel and stick. For such a small gadget, it brings a big comfort boost. Number 22. Fridge Drink Dispenser. Tap for RV or van setups with a mini fridge? The Fridge Drink Dispenser tap is an awesome way to serve chilled beverages without removing the jug. It attaches right to the spout of most water or juice bottles and pours like a tap. Great for road trips, tailgates, or mobile kitchens where counter space is tight. No lifting, no spilling. Just push and pour. It's a smart hydration hack on the go. Number 23. Self-watering plant stakes. Bringing a bit of green into your RV or van? Self-watering plant stakes are perfect for road travelers who don't want to worry about daily watering. These clay stakes slowly release water from any bottle into the soil as needed. Ideal for hanging plants, dashboard succulents, or window herbs in mobile setups. Keeps plants alive and healthy while you're on the move. Smart, low-effort greenery. No green thumb required. Number 24. USB rechargeable booklight. Whether you're winding down in the back seat or reading a map at night, the USB rechargeable booklight is a flexible, travel-friendly solution. It clips onto books, headrests, or even sun visors with adjustable brightness and a bendable neck. Great for solo night readers, campers, or backseat passengers who don't want to light up the whole cabin. No batteries needed, just charge via USB. Small, versatile, and perfect for any nighttime setup. Number 25. Silicone Gap Stove Cover. Though made for kitchens, the silicone gap stove cover also works surprisingly well in RVs and van kitchens. It bridges the gap between your cooktop and counter. No more crumbs or spills slipping through hard-to-reach spaces. Perfect for van lifers or mobile chefs who love to cook on the go. It's heat-resistant, easy to clean, and fits snugly. A practical upgrade for keeping your tiny kitchen spotless. Number 26. Hanging laundry. Drying rack space is always tight in a camper or SUV, and that's where the hanging laundry drying rack shines. It folds out to hang socks, shirts, or towels, and then collapses flat for storage. No power needed. Just fresh air and space-saving design. Great for campers, road trippers, or anyone doing laundry on the go. Use it inside your car, under your awning, or at a campsite. A lightweight, low-fuss way to dry your clothes while traveling. Number 27. Wall-mounted broom holder. Keeping things organized in a vehicle can be tricky, but the wall-mounted broom holder helps store mops, brushes, and tools securely in one place. It mounts to interior RV walls or cabinets and uses spring-loaded grips to hold handles tightly. Perfect for full-time RVers or van lifers with cleaning gear that tends to shift around. Helps prevent clutter and keeps your space safe while driving. Smart storage that works in motion. Number 28. Portable humidifier bottle cap. Dry air in the car. The portable humidifier bottle cap turns any standard water bottle into a mini humidifier. Just screw it on, plug it into USB, and enjoy a gentle mist that refreshes your space. It's great for winter drives, long road trips, or anyone sensitive to dry air in closed cabins. Plus, it's small enough to throw in a glove box. Comfort and moisture wherever you go. Number 29. Rolling can organizer for pantry. Rolling can organizers aren't just for pantry. They work great in RV cabinets or storage bins to keep drinks, soups, or canned goods neatly stacked. The angled design rolls cans forward so you always grab the oldest one first. Ideal for organized travelers, campers, or long-haul drivers who stock up for the road. Keeps storage tight, visible, and ready to go. A tidy little system that saves space and time. Number 30. Adjustable undersink organizer. For those with RV or camper sinks, the adjustable undersink organizer transforms a usually chaotic space into a tidy storage zone. It fits around pipes and adapts to your layout, making room for soap, tools, or cleaning supplies. A must for van lifers or anyone living out of a small mobile kitchen. Keeps essentials organized and easy to access even when space is at a premium. Clean design, real function. If you're looking to make your car life smarter, easier, and more organized, these Amazon finds are a great place to start. Check the description for links and don't forget to subscribe for more smart car gadget tips.